Don't even know. Pointless me even saying. We're heading on Trista's route this time, so I think I can show you actually. It is this route here. This is where we're going today. Bosh, Bosh, Castle, Roads, Bosh, Bosh, Bosh. Gonna be pretty fun. A lot of you have been saying that you are around here and you see where we're going. Someone even said they spotted us. Got some great roads, mate. If you live up here and you watch the channel, fair play, mate. Make some content, because it would bang around this place. If I could make content on these roads, I'd be living the dream. Get everyone leaving, and then I'm tactically at the back. Which means I have all the room to slow down and speed up and enjoy the roads if I want to. It's my new favourite position on the twisties. I like being amongst the group, but it's nice being at the back, because then you can have a bit of fun. Why is Waze talking out loud? Shut up. Shut up, Waze. How do I make it silent? I don't know. Let's go! Another day of bikes! I think we're doing about 100-ish miles today. We've been absolutely seshing it. Obviously day one they were drinking. But now we're out every day, like doing 100+ miles every day. Oh, why is he stopping already? Oh, he's not. It's just looking to get by. We're doing like 100+ miles every day, doing these big old routes that people have chosen. Triss's is today, Mackenzie's got one, I've got another one. It's sick. I love this shit, man. This is my type of fucking holiday. We're gonna do it with the lads, 100%. We were talking about it. What does he want? Yes.
Who are we getting today?
Mackenzie.
Work together on this.
Okay. Side quest has been appointed. Kill switch time. I am ready. I am ready. That's funny. Who are we getting today? Let's work together. Little do you know it, boys, you're about to have a great day of kill switches. I want to kickstand someone. I'm going to try kickstand Nick, because his kickstand's probably really loose, because it's a new bike, so it's probably nice and easy to lift down. I'm going to try kickstand and kill switch him. Good luck to whoever does Triss, because he'll probably start swinging. You kill switch Triss and you get in a fist fight. I got some right good footage yesterday of us coming back. Obviously I couldn't use it. If you watched yesterday's episode, on the way back we had some fun. Dad was swinging it, Nick was swinging it on the jigsaw. It was so funny. I was ahead and I was like, yes, I'm gonna do it, because obviously Nick's been on the track, so I was like, right, this is my chance, quick. And I was like trying to get away, and mate, he was in my mirrors the whole time. I couldn't get rid of him. He was just chilling. He could have overtaken me obviously, but he was just chilling. I looked to my left, I was like, he's not there, I've gapped him. I looked to my right and he's literally right there, and I was like, fuck off. It's a whole nother level of skill when you've been on a track. We will do it at some point. The bank account just says no right now. I might just pick up some extra shifts, to be honest, at a warehouse or something, for some extra cash, so I can play around with the YouTube a bit more, because it's very much tight at the minute with YouTube, and then my freelancing stuff that I do on my camera's quite hit and miss. It's very paycheck to paycheck at the minute, but if I get a little side job, then I might be able to get some cash in. I just really don't want to fucking do it, but for the sake of the channel, you know what I mean, it could get us the funds to get a DRZ, switch up the content a bit more as well, go more places, because if we're being honest, I couldn't really afford to come on this holiday, to be honest, but Dad's been helping me out with petrol and stuff like that. Oh, he's gonna get it then. James is on a mission. He was gonna get Mackenzie then. Yeah, I couldn't really afford to come on this holiday, but Dad's been helping me out. Proper legend as always. Once this YouTube pays off, they will receive the benefits from it. Once I've sorted myself out, I can drip feed it down to the parents, because they've always fucking sorted me out with whatever fucking stupid thing I'm trying. Even if they don't have any money, they've still figured it out to sort of help me out. So I do appreciate it. Look after your parents, people. The back tail light of James's bike looks like a Mustang tail light, because you know on those 1967 Mustangs where they've got the strips down the tail lights and they're like individual little beads but going in little strips. That's what his tail light looks like. It's pretty cool. Dad's kind of looks like that as well. It's got like the R1, but it's two lights. Okay, we're on an overtaking sort of day. Could get around this. That's what I'm talking about. Good. Oh, here we go. Kill switch counter number 1. Go on, James. I just kickstand him. I got a kickstand on him. I went like that. He's just done it to him. This is probably the roughest road right now actually that I've seen since I've been here. This is more like what we would have. A little bit rough on the road, but that's as bad as it gets around here. Still flat, but it's just a little bit of a rougher surface. Bit more like gravel and stuff there, but that's expected being that close to the bushes. But it's still flatter, do you know what I mean? It's still level and nice. Oh, you can go right up to the front of it. That's pretty sick. Not that bad. We've got a little castle. So £10 to get in though, so we're not going in. I ain't paying fucking £10 to get in a castle. I don't care that much.
Love dirty boy.
You dirty boy.
Oh, there you go.
I was talking to him, trying to kill switch him the whole time. I wasn't even listening to what he was saying. I was just trying to get his kickstand. Jesus. Fucking hell, that's steep. Jesus, we're climbing! Don't stall here! Where are we going? Now we're turning right. Oh my god, that's a scary hill start. You. Over just there. We could have gone right there. I need a wee. I'm right there. Tris, I'm there. Tris, pull over. I'm gonna piss myself. We're actually going over a bridge. Whoa, look at them slabs. Fuck that, they're moving. The blue balling bit when we were going past all the lay-bars, I was like, no,
Yeah, I
I was
know.
like, we can go there.
Oh no, I'm seeing all these lay-bys. I'm going, what about that one? What about that one? I need a piss.
No, oh, for fuck's sake, I only just started it. The kill switch war is fully upon us. We're in full swing. Right, went over the toll bridge, so now we're on a nice toll road by the looks of it. They should have overtaken them, because now they're going to be stuck behind the cars. nice little road up here. You want it nice and open. Oh, look at that beach view as well. That's nice, man. This is lovely. Absolutely lovely. Can you see my bike though? It kept cutting out. It keeps doing that. Bike keeps cutting out. The carbs are at proper dodgy low end at the moment. Maybe it's because of the altitude. No, in the heat it definitely struggles. Like when it's really, really hot, it does struggle. To be fair, the engine's quite hot right now. It's like halfway up. Whoa! Whoa! Let's go! Dad's going for it. Come on in. You want some of this? I'll give you some of it. Dad with the overtake out of nowhere. Yeah. Nice and smooth. He's going for it. Oh no, I thought you were going to fall over. Oh mate, that was fucking brilliant. Okay.
Go back to that massive car park.
I don't know.
We're going back out that way, so.
Yeah? I mean, if there's enough room.
Yeah, park it here, it doesn't matter.
Yeah. There's another space there anyway. I'll go between the Range Rover. Yeah, there's loads of room here.
Can-Am Spider. These are getting really popular these days.
I don't know how I feel about it. Back to the beach. What a lovely view. I'm so over these 20-mile-an-hour zones. It's honestly ridiculous. Turning right. Where are we going? Is this the waterfall place? Must be. Maybe the waterfall's over there. Oh yeah, literally look. That'll do. That'll do me nicely. Lebosh. Lebosh, lebosh, lebosh. Ta-da. Ride the bike across there. Huh? Oh, I see a waterfall there on the left. Water. There's a sketchy spot. That's pretty cool. Like a big gate and then there's like a enclosed bit. Nothing crazy. Oh. Nowhere near. Right, now we're heading to Macanef, or whatever the fuck, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know why you guys decided to make your own language. It's so confusing. Just speak English. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Calm down. Calm down. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, this is what it's all about, people. This road's hyping me up. This is so sick. I'm just enjoying this. That was fucking amazing. That was the best road we've been on. Yeah, it was so fun. Just flowing as well, you didn't even need to go crazy. It was just like flowing down some perfect roads. Sorry, mate.
Where are we going?
Fuck! Ah! You fucking bastards! Wow, these are some really good roads up here. Sorry, boys. You know the drill. Look at this. Look at this, people. Do you know what I mean? Like, where are you going to see this where we're from? You're not. Just in the middle of nowhere. We are in the middle of complete fields right now, and there's these silky smooth tracks cutting through forest. What the fuck? It's just insane. It's look at this road, mate. It's absolutely ridiculous. Look at that. Just fields upon fields. Oh fuck, it's amazing! Oh mate, this is just next fucking level, mate. Next level. Not a pothole in sight. Look at the mountains in front of me as well. They didn't even care. That sheep was like, yeah, fuck off, mate, I see this every day. But they seem to they all know the drill, they live here, do you know what I mean? They know the drill with the roads, so they probably already stay clear of them. You stay there. Stay there. Okay. These sheep are sketching me out. Hold on. Look up there. Oh shit. Look at that guy, he's trailing up there. Yeah, you gotta be careful around here because there's sheep everywhere. Oh, mate, that was sick. That was absolutely amazing. That was ridiculous. Whew. That was, yeah, wow. I'm blown away again. I didn't think I could be. But wow. Oh, mate, that was... that was amazing. That was so sick. Oh, God, I can't wait to edit that later and watch that back. That was fucking ridiculous. That was honestly the best thing I've ever ridden on. That was better than the other roads. Jesus, Wales. Fair play, mate. Oh, I need to come out here more often. Fucking hell. It was a really, really good day out. Well done, Tris, because that was maybe one of my favourite routes so far, to be honest. We hit like 3 absolute banging roads. Banging roads. Like really, really good. I can't wait to watch that back. Especially that last section we just went through with the sheep. That bit was really cool. Oh, mate. Guys, please go book a holiday to Wales with the boys on the bikes, mate, or the girls, whoever you are. Fucking go do it. And if you live here, mate, make sure you appreciate it, because you guys are lucky. Trust me, you guys are very lucky. It's not like this back where we are. It is terrible where we are. So very, very, very well done, fair play, whatever the word is, to Wales. Hello, train, steam train. Either way, I'm gonna end the video there. So that was episode, what, 4 or 5, 2 more left, I think. I'll probably merge the last episode and the ride home in the same episode, because obviously it's just a ride home, innit? Do you know what I mean? It's nothing too crazy. So I'll merge those 2 together. But yeah, slowly coming to the end of the holiday, but mate, it has been amazing. We're making the most of every day. We got really lucky with the weather. It rained the first day, but the rest of it's been sunny, or just like this, cloudy but dry. Who cares, as long as it's dry for the bikes. Either way, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and if you haven't watched any of the other episodes, then go back and watch them. And then the next episode will come out tomorrow night. Alright, see you later.